you have, so as you've mentioned, it is an actual platform, so it mostly will be used in a digital format. And so in the digital world, you don't have to struggle with the printing that much, because most of the material would be available online. And a very few of the things that you'll be using, even though you might have print marketing material, a very few things will be printed. So you can have the option of actually going for something that's more 3D, or something that's that has a transition of colors. In that case,
maybe with the first letter, do you suggest the transition of colors, like to use? It's called the ribne. So let's say we can use the letter D and make it kind of a 3D and have that transition of color from the orange to the purple.
Yeah, it could actually work, or maybe you can tone down some, because from orange to purple, I think the transition would be too vast in scale. So maybe you can actually try to tone down, try to pick a color that is either closer to orange or either closer to purple. Maybe shades of the same color, a bit darker, a bit lighter. Maybe.
Yes, there are about 4 shades, and in the transition phase, there is a tone down for the colors. So it's a smooth transition.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe even with while designing the actual logo, even though it's based on the first letter, maybe you can try to, so in the middle of the D, there is this little space that you have. Maybe you can try experimenting with incorporating another letter that would create the shape, the effect of the D letter, but it would still contain more elements from the name itself, maybe something that is very recognizable, or something that helps spell out the name more easily, and it wouldn't just restrict the logotype or the emblem to be just the letter D, and you'd have more characters.